Hey Mazer, welcome to the Pride. I'm Emma Meekum and I'm on my own today because we really don't have a ton of new announcements for you, so sit tight. We have some fun stuff today. The only new announcement comes from Mrs. Treadwell in the finance office. If you are returning books or materials, please include your name and teacher on the item with a post-it note. Then put it on the table just inside the front doors of the school between 9 and 2. Or you can put it in the book drop box outside of the building. Return only those items your teachers have asked you to return. Do not return books that you have not yet been asked to. And now let's go to Corbin for a cooking segment.
Hello! Hi, Mazer. This is Cooking with Daphne and the Petersons plus Corbin. Today, we are making a chocolate bundt cake with cream cheese filling and chocolate chips in the middle of it. And we have to get the filling and we have to put it all in the center. But I can't put all of this stuff that's on my hand in the center because, you know, Corona. After we do this, we're going to, I'm a mess, guys. We're gonna be filling it in with the rest of the cake batter to go on top, and it'll be cooking for at most an hour. Alright guys, it's going in. Timer set. Let's go 45 originally. Always clean up, and if we're at a friend's house, help them clean up. Don't be that one friend. Just moral of the story if you're making, don't be that guy. Alright guys, let's shove it. It is done. We shall set it right here for 10 minutes, and then after that we're going to flip it over onto the pan so you can see the beautiful wonderfulness that it is. Look at that. It's spotted, but it's a beauty. We grab it. 1, 2, 3. Flip it. It's really hard. I hate it so much. At the top, try and get the cake out, you know? Pat, 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 pat. This is when we try to get it up. I don't know how to use this pan. And there it is, everyone. Beautiful. That is your beautiful cake. We'll be cutting into it shortly. Hello everyone, it's time for cake. Alright, Rayleigh Peterson, you are first up for your piece of cake. Here is the test. Does it taste good? Does it taste horrid?
Amazing. So good, yeah.
Alright, tune in next time for Cooking with Daphne and the Petersons plus Corbin, everyone. Thank you for watching.
Not to be outdone, the Tullises have their own cooking segment. It's posted to our YouTube channel. You should check it out for some quality entertainment. Speaking of entertainment, Mikey is stuck at home, and he's not doing too well. Let's check in on him.
This is day one. Things are going well. I miss my friends for sure. Still washing my hands. We have enough toilet paper. Everything is fine. This is day 7. The quarantine, I'm feeling pretty good. His dog chased me today. It was a nice little bit of cardio. Bit me really bad on the leg. There's a lot of blood that's not in my body. I was like, give me some toilet paper, but I was like, cannot wait to come back to school. Still day 7, still halfway through it. Still no toilet paper. I don't know if I can go any longer without toilet paper. On a happier note, I stopped bleeding. I'm starting to lose hope. It's infected now. Yeah, just really loving this quarantine. Day 11. Haven't been on a date in 4 years. Saddened by the lack of toilet paper. The rations are running short. We have resolved to cannibalism. My dog's dead. Times are rough. but remember to wash your hands. Not gonna cry. Not gonna do it. This is day 13. Can't take it anymore. The government lied to us. We're still in quarantine. I'll do anything to go back to school! Take me back! Take me back!
The links for the songs for Dancing with the Teachers were sent to your Mazer emails. You can choose to be on Mrs. Murray's team and dance to this.
Our house in the middle of our street.
Or Gruber's team and dance to this.
But I don't feel like dancing when you tell me to place.
The choice is yours. Finally, we want to end with a photo challenge for this week. This week, send in pictures of you in your most comfortable pajama pants. Are you a classic plaid kind of person, taco cats, or are you like me, with the crazy elephants? Send us your pictures. We want to see. That's all, Mazer. See you next time on The Pride. And you're watching The Pride.